good with y'all? What's good? Y'all see, man, it's wet, man. It's been raining, but we back with another video. The rain not finished, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to turn no wrenches on Dolo today. But what I got going on today, oh yeah, I got to shout out my boy Derek too, man, for this bad shirt he gave me, man. This thing here nice. Grind hard forever, man. I like what it stands for too. Cause this right here, what I'm all about, grind hard forever. So he got the clothing line. My boy Derek, his Instagram on screen right now. I'm telling you, check his stuff out, man. Hit him up on Instagram, see what designs he got. Cause this is it, man. Grind hard forever. I like supporting people. Like if you got a shirt or something or whatever you doing your thing, you want to send, man, just hit me in the comments or whatever. Hey, I rock everybody's stuff on camera, try to show them love, but I really do like this shirt, man. Trust me, if I got it on, I like it. Grind hard forever, man. So I don't think I ever been on a vlog with this shirt on. I wear it, but I don't think I never been on a vlog and shout them out. But I appreciate Derek. So yeah, it's that. But last night, what I noticed, well, let me cut this, man. Let me cut this. I'm gonna pull the stuff out, then I'm gonna tell y'all what I figured out. All right, so look, Rick's supposed to be coming through tomorrow and tackle the brakes. We supposed to be changing the brakes, putting the studs in, all that. We supposed to be doing that tomorrow because we're gonna have a sunny day. So I noticed, I said, let me come out here and take my parts out. So it hit me. I'm like, I opened the box and looked at the rotors. And I was like, man, I don't think these are the right rotors. I asked for a rotor for a 90 Caprice, which is what I got. I got a 90 Caprice, but it's a Caprice with the police package. And that don't pull up all the time. You really have to get them for a wagon. I thought about that. I'm like, I didn't get them for a wagon because the Caprice wagons got bigger brakes. Y'all know I got the 11-inch drums in the back. Big Meats over, well, not Big Meats, but most box Chevys came with the 9.5-inch drum brake. I got the 11-inch, which means they got bigger rotors. They got the 12 millimeter. I think it's 12 millimeter rotors. 12 millimeter across, wide, or 12 inches. I can't remember. But I got the bigger rotors. I'll give y'all the exact specs. So I had to take the rotors back. I took the rotors back today. And y'all just got to see what I got coming. That's all I got to say. I like, since I got to take them back, just see what I got coming. But anyway, so I thought about it. I was on the website doing my research. This is the only part number I pulled for a caliper. So today what we're going to do is take the towel. And I need to check the caliper and see if all the calipers are the same. Cause if it's not the same, I need to go ahead and get it returned and get the find out what caliper I need. So I'm gonna pull the part number out of the caliper. What are you doing out here, little lady?
About to let you show me how to use the impact gun.
Oh, so she's coming to help. So I guess wife is gonna take towel. She ain't never used the impact, so she's still learning, trying to learn stuff. But what we got going on, I'm gonna check to make sure this stuff work. Cause when Rick comes, I like to have everything I need. So he coming tomorrow. We probably not gonna get a chance to do the front cause I'm waiting on the rotors. They'll be in. I'm gonna show them to y'all. I don't want to tell y'all what I got. But we about to take the towel. I'm gonna check. We're gonna compare these and make sure it's right. Cause I can at least get this stuff on the way if it ain't right. So we about to get the car jack though. I guess I'm gonna let wifey do it. She wanna learn how to use the impact. So we about to do that. And it shouldn't take long. And I got a part coming today too, so I'm gonna show y'all that. So just stay tuned in, man. Then when the part get here, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So we're finna get to it. Alright, y'all. So we got the towel. This one right here. Y'all gotta go check her vlog out. She got it on there. She took it off. It was very interesting. All I can say is very interesting, but y'all go check her video out whenever she drop it. Cause I can't say when. She don't drop her fast to me. You slow poking around. Her YouTube on screen too, so make sure to go subscribe.
Yes, please do.
Slow poke. Anyway. Alright, so looking at them too, they look the same, y'all. But this got a bigger rotor on it. So I had to get the new ones coming, but good thing is the calipers are the same. So I ain't gonna have no problem right there. So the calipers the same, mean the brakes the same. So they're pretty interesting. They're pretty interesting for real. So that's a fun fact, y'all. I don't know. I'm pretty sure the spindle I don't know. I don't know though. The spindle might be the same too. I'm curious about that. Yeah, the calipers are the same. I'm still gonna get the part number off of it, but I was curious about that, cause I was like, man, is the spindle different? Is the actual spindle different since this right here got bigger rotors on it than a regular civilian box Chevy? But the spindle probably the same. If the rotor is the same, the spindle probably the same. And I'm inspecting stuff too right now, cause I might. Rick would ask me like, do you want to change the brake hole? It looked pretty good. I can paint it. I mean, I might not change it. It don't look that bad, but knowing me, I might. Then again, I might turn around and change it. I don't know. Cause the Blakes. Oh boy, somebody, he needs some milk. But anyway, the brakes are gonna have to be bled anyway. But that's a good thing. I mean, I ain't got to take this back. And that mean the brake pads are the same. That's interesting, man. I guess the difference in them is this area right here is bigger. And the actual rotor area itself got to be the same size. Cause if it wasn't, then it wouldn't use the same brake pads. And all the brake pad numbers pull the same. So that's interesting. So you learn something. This is a police package with a bigger rotor, or should I say a bigger hub area. But the caliper is the same as a civilian car, and the brakes, the actual brake pads, appear to be the same. But I might go a step further and go ahead and take a brake pad, go ahead and take it off and see. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Be on the safe side. So let me do that. Y'all see we over here linked up with DJ Showtime transmission rebuild. Y'all see what's in the trunk. Got that thing ready. We got a new piece in there. I'll tell y'all what that is in a minute. All of that. Made a few changes and adjustments in it. So DJ got me right. I told y'all hit him up, number on the screen. And the number in the description of every single video. So hit him up. Did the transmission in on the Dolo box and everything too. It got some nice stuff in it. The whole 9. So y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel too. That's on the screen as well. So go hit that subscribe button, cause he dropping information on transmissions and stuff, man. He do it all from mile to mile. He do the ultra bells and stuff too. So I'm definitely gonna have an ultra bell. We're gonna do that build on big meats, cause he gonna need it. But that's it, y'all. We got it back. We're finna drop this thing off at Joe Buddy Racing, and then we're gonna get back to the house. Look, hey y'all finna see heard it back live in the vlog.
Jack, how you go to the little gym?
look at
Gym ain't nothing.
Look, y'all saw me pick up the rim, so he wanna that little transmission and everything. So
Don't do it. Get it home. Got the gym right here. This is a gym.
Hey, he right about that. Yeah, it definitely a gym.
2 months in.
It definitely a gym. All right, y'all. So in the house, and we got the box came. So let me see what we got in here. Some of y'all probably already know. Man, here we go. Y'all having fun in y'all tent? All right. Yeah, Tina coming here interrupting my video as usual. So we got what you doing, Tina? Here we got though. The cover, the ring cover finally came. We got the Summit stickers, all that good stuff. But yeah, this ring cover and this bad boy heavy, man. This a heavy duty cover. This a good cover right here. I got it upside down. It come with the bolts, all of that, man. It's a big boy cover going on the 8.5. So this thing here was like 170. Somebody probably say, why you pay $170 for it? I wanted it, man. It look good. It's heavy duty. It's a quick to drain plug down there at the bottom. Quick access, man. So you ain't gotta take the cover completely off. Why would you not want this? You can keep your gasket. You ain't gotta take the cover completely off to drain the fluid. You can just let that off, let it drain. You don't have to reseal the ring and all of that. It come with your hardware, new bolts. These bad boys look long. Oh, it's thick though. The cover thick. There you see how thick it is right there. So you need the bolt that long. And it don't come with no gasket, but you got your hardware. I'm confused though. You got your, what it must be, 5 bolts per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, man. I got 2 sets of bolts. I guess for 2 different lengths. I don't know. But anyway, it got your hardware, but this is it. Y'all see, it's aluminum. This actually, well, I don't know. I ain't gonna say it's lighter, cause this thing heavy, man. It's aluminum though, but it look good. This the same cover I have on the Camaro or whatever, and I like it. So, and now I can put the fluid back in the ring, cause I was waiting to get this, so I can put the gasket, well, put the Permatech on it, and then reseal it, and then we be good to go. So, I don't know what that is. I don't know. I'm gonna figure all this out though. But yeah, that's it, man. We ready to go now. We're gonna get that back put together and all that good stuff. And we're gonna get the stud. I'm probably gonna wait too. So we got Moser cover and we got Moser studs. 1/2 inch, 3 inch long stud. Not breaking these bad boy. Trust me. So that's what we got in. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so as y'all can see, we back. Like I said, I just showed y'all the ring cover and all that. Like I said, once again, shout out to my boy Derek for the shirt. Grind hard forever. Y'all can see we had a nice little day today, man. We got the transmission back for John Jones. So that's about to be on the way back. We about to get the Camaro back, man. I'm real excited for that. Turbo kit getting installed. Man, all type of stuff. Everything is shaking. Everything's shaking, man. So it's about to roll, man. We about to roll, man. We got Dolo going. Said we're still getting parts in for Dolo. We got the rear end cover. Man, we're gonna get ready to throw that on. All type of stuff, man. It's about to go down. That's all I can say. I'm just really excited for the way everything going. We still got a busy week. Got a lot more parts coming. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm just trying to stay consistent and keep the content coming for all y'all. And pretty much that's it, man. Catch y'all on the next one.